It has been another extraordinary day. Stock markets opened in a state of high anxiety, which gave way to panic. Investors are in the dark. They don't know how many people will fall ill or how long it will take for them to recover. An economic shock of unknowable scale is upon us, and shares in companies are being sold off. The FTSE 100 closed down more than 10%, the second largest fall in its history.
When was the last time you saw falls like this? It's extraordinary, isn't it? I mean, even in 2008, we didn't see falls like that.
No, these are bigger. This is bigger than 2008. Yeah, this is serious. There's risks now when we see the breakdown in the way some of the financial markets are actually working now. We're actually starting to see a breakdown in the sort of plumbing, the sort of stuff that happens to make things work smoothly, to make markets function smoothly. We're starting to see that breakdown, and that's the real worry.
This was not a flight to safety, it was an exodus. When Wall Street opened, share prices headed south and trading was almost immediately suspended. 15 The Federal Reserve, the US central bank, announced plans to make $1 trillion of short-term loans available. Stock market slumps may feel remote and irrelevant, but they have very real consequences. They kick holes in people's pension savings, and they make it impossible for companies to raise money by issuing shares. And the concern here is that some companies are running out of money and will fail in the months ahead. Today, Into, which owns a host of shopping centres around the UK, warned it may go bust. Cineworld said in a worst-case scenario, the coronavirus outbreak may leave it unable to pay its debts. The Carnival Group decided to suspend its Princess Cruises operation. 18 ships will be confined to port. And Norwegian Air cancelled flights and routes and said it intends to lay off half of its 11,000 staff. It hopes the move is temporary. The airline industry is in crisis and says it needs government help.
We already saw an airline go under in the UK, and it's possible others may follow. This is a very, very serious situation for the industry. It's not just the Schengen to US market. We're obviously seeing a collapse in air traffic across the board.
Tonight, the final bell on Wall Street. The applause and the smiles were misplaced. This was one of the worst one-day falls in history, and there may be more to come. Joel Hills, News at 10.